Hey guys, Urban Gardener here, the Happy Cultivator.
Today, we're going to be harvesting some bananas. That's right, my banana tree is way overdue for harvesting these bananas up here. You can see some of them are even turning yellow already, so I think I'm going to be eating a banana or two. So what I really need to do is just go ahead and whack down the whole tree.
So what you have to do when you have a full set of bananas is you got to whack down the whole tree. So I've got this axe here. I'm going to take this axe and I'm going to chop down that banana tree. So I have my handy dandy axe here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and chop down that whole tree, as once you take the fruit, the tree no longer produces. So I'm going to go ahead and chop down that tree real quick with this axe. It's a simple process because bananas are basically just a grass. So as you can see, got the banana tree down. It's behind my nectarine tree, minimal damage. So I'll go ahead and whack that bunch of bananas off with a machete. I will wash them all up, get them cleaned up, and show you how they turned out. So there you have the harvested bananas. As you see, I took the tip of the banana flower off. I cut it at the top, nearest the best bananas. My bananas grow a little bit smaller than your typical Dole bananas. They are, I believe, these are the California Gold bananas. And here, I'll go ahead and eat them. Took a couple early ones here for you. See how they taste. These ones happen to be ripe. The other ones aren't. But they ripen up really quick. Oh, that's delicious. Here's one of the bigger ones. I actually caught it with my machete. But as you can see, nice little plump California Gold bananas. It's kind of hard to peel a banana with one hand here. Doing my best. Get a little bit of crud off there. But see my nice little bananas? What I like about these bananas is, number one, I grew them, so I mean, they're always better when you grew your own. But the other thing I like about these bananas is these particular bananas are kind of tangy. So they're sweet and tangy. Now, when you do harvest your bananas, if you happen to live in a tropical or subtropical zone where you can grow your own bananas, I am in zone 10B in Southern California near Los Angeles International Airport, and I can grow certain varieties of bananas with success. Another little early harvester, and they have a sweet yet tangy taste. Well, that one was a little bit more done. Yeah, a lot sweeter. But if you do live in a zone like me and you can grow these, you harvest the whole tree because it doesn't produce any more bananas, and then definitely wash them. I turned off the camera because it was a good 15 minutes of really heavy spraying throughout all the bananas, because spiders really, really, really like banana flowers and banana fruit. So, see, for instance, there's still a little straggler in there. And I'm talking big, nasty spiders like to live in there because they feed off of all the pests that come around. And so just spray it out really, really good with a high pressure spray, and you get all those spiders out. And then you have some really nice bananas. See, we got a couple little stragglers there, but the little spiders, they don't bother me. Yeah, we'll take one more because I like these and it is splitting already. So go ahead and take one more of these off so you guys can see one more of these nice little ripe yellow ones. Yeah, very nice flavor. That's one thing I love, guys, about growing my own food is the flavor profiles. You guys that grow your own food know that the flavor profile you get on homegrown food, because it's different cultivars, for instance, California Gold, you're not going to get these in the supermarket, and they have a different flavor. They're tangy and sweet, and it's just a delightful flavored banana, a little bit different. And because they're fingerling bananas, they're really easy to take on the go, because to be honest with you, sometimes I really don't want to eat a full banana. So I really like these. And then sometimes I want to eat 4 or 5 of these. So yeah, really good, delicious. If you happen to live in the right area, try them out. If you live in zone 10 or lower, go ahead, give it a try. Texas, Georgia, Florida, Alabama-ish areas. Some parts of the Mississippi, I think you could do it. New Mexico, Arizona might want to give it a try, depending on what area of Arizona. So if you do live in a little bit warmer, subtropical climate, give some bananas a try.
And there you go, guys. So once you got your bananas all harvested and washed out, all you do is hang them from some rafters, and then they'll slowly ripen, or depending on the weather, quickly ripen, and you'll start getting more and more yellow, and you just pick them as you go. And then once they get a little overdone, just make yourself some banana bread.
So like I always say, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.